So what we'll do is we're going to go ahead and reset those shims. So we'll that way the clamp will only raise just what you need it to. Now to do that, we're going to take and flip these. There are 13 shims, and we're going to flip all of them to the back, but 3 for right now. And then what we'll do is we'll go ahead and turn on the saw, and we'll see where the clamp comes up. So you can go ahead and turn on the power.
And that's just the green.
Yeah. Pull the e-stop out first. There you go. Okay, now there you can see where the clamp came up quite a bit higher. So we can actually go down some more. We'll shut the saw off. And we'll flip just one more. Now there's only 2 showing. Turn the saw on. That's a lot lower. Let's turn it off. We'll flip one more. So now we've only got one that's pulled back. Okay?